8 of the afternoon. This for our final lot of Best 3 series. This for the age ponies. Out in front sporting the number 3 saddle pad, Big Red Machine, our current track record holder, owned by Mr. Colin Mallow and Mr. Robert Lopes, and being driven this afternoon by Mr. Philip Correa. With the number 2 saddle pad, our first seat winner, GB Crystal Ball, owned by Mr. and Mrs. Edward Broke, and being driven this afternoon by Mr. Mark Richardson. And on the outside, sporting the number 1 saddle pad, Mike Shadow, out of the Inwood Stables, and being driven this afternoon by Mr. Nicholas DeCosta. I'm sorry, that is Mr. Robert Lopes. Okay, our star car has now collected our 3 entries for these Best 3 age ponies. 3 ponies up and out of the first turn. They come, we'll sort them out. And it is Big Red Machine, the rail pony, the pace setter. Getting no jump at the start, out in front by 1. About 3/4 lengths now over GB Crystal Ball. Back another half is Mike Shadow, trailing the field. 3, 2, and 1 as they started their running around Paddock turn. And down the backstretch they blaze. Big Red Machine growing that lead to 1 1/4 now, 1 1/2 as they head around turn 3 over GB Crystal Ball. Back another full length is Mike Shadow still trailing the field. Out of the 4th turn they come. Philip tractor trailer Korea with Big Red Machine rocking and rolling. GB Crystal Ball gambling in the hubbles a bit by closing the distance down to just 1 now. Mike Shadow trying to do the same. Around Paddock turn and down the backstretch they go. Big Red Machine turning the cylinders back on. Back out in front by 1 1/4. GB Crystal Ball still chasing on. Back another length and a half is Mike Shadow. Out of the 4th turn and down the home stretch they come. Big Red Machine.